told your friend you're not okay.
Hi everyone. So just now we're gonna do the second step, and will be installation of M2 Pro Miner. And as you can see, the first step is to unscrew the cover holding M2 Pro Miner. So first thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply the sticker. Or M2 Pro Miner. Great. So what we need to do, as you can see, we need to remove the seal. Cool. And now we can unscrew. As you can see, we have two screws here. So one here and one here. Cool. Let's try again. So one screw, and we're gonna put back in the box. And this is the second screw, and again we're putting back in the box. So as you can see, both screws are out, and now what we can do, we can remove the, so as you can see, the cover is out. Okay, cool. So the second step, let me show you. So the second step will be scanning this code, but at the moment we're gonna skip this step because we're gonna make another video, the final video, about installing the application and scanning the code in order to add your miner. And now we're gonna connect the all three antennas. Cool. So this we're gonna put here at the moment. Antennas. Okay, so here we have the ground. So G. So the G antenna will go, as you can see, we have G here. So be very careful. So G will go to G. Okay. And we installing the first antenna. Try to be gentle because this miner is very expensive. Cool. And now we're gonna install the second antenna. So as you can see, we have L and L. This doesn't matter where it goes because both antennas are the same. So once again, screw very gentle. Don't put pressure too much. Okay. And now we're gonna use the last antenna. Again, please be very gentle. So this one is for the another antennas we don't have just now. It's apparently 4G or 5G for mobile data. This is this antenna you can install in the future if you want. Cool. So we have all antennas in place. So the next step will be the connections. So here, as you can see, we have power cable, and this power cable we're gonna install, as you can see here, and this will go to your power supply. Okay, cool. In terms of cabling, we're gonna use both cables. I do recommend the small cable to use for your router, because your router in the house has power supply as well, and probably will go to the same power supply. So the short cable I do suggest, or I do recommend to install for your internet connection, and the long cable we're gonna install to the antenna, because antenna need a longer distance. Okay, so this small cable we gonna install into, we'll go here into LAN. So LAN, or local network, local area network, will go into your router. Cool. And this end will go to the internet. So I'll show you a little bit later. The second cable, the longer one, we're gonna install to the longer cable we're gonna install to the antenna. So we're gonna put the cable here. So this one, as you can see, is power over internet. Okay, we're gonna install here. So once again, this cable, internet cable, will go to your router, and this cable will go to your antenna. So your antenna will be powered over internet. That's the reason why we have power over internet here. Okay, and the antenna will be connected through power over internet, and here, as you can see, we have a slot, and we're gonna connect to the antenna. Okay, cool. So what you need to do now, you need to connect the power, and this cable you need to connect to the internet. and this is what we're gonna do just now. What I want to show you, so power over internet and local area and internet as well. So as you can see, the power goes here, and the internet cable goes into here, and as you can see, the router is working, and from the longer cable, which is power over internet, will go into miner, and as you can see, we have a yellow light there. So in the third step, we're gonna talk how to download and install the DataDash app and how to add your miner into application. So yeah, so this is the miner, what we're using just now. The reason why I have this cover out is because my miner will stay inside, so I don't need to put outside. But if you put outside, you need to use this cover in order to install outside, but it's not our case just now. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my videos, and see you later. Bye bye.
Tell me what's wrong and why you